Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can forward our message to inbox in Google Chat. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Google Chat. After that, click on the message. Next, click on the text you want to forward inbox. Here you will see forward to inbox option. You have to click on that. Shortly after clicking on that, you will receive one email. You have to click on that and you can view all of the messages that you have sent to your inbox. So this is how you forward message to your inbox. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.